Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a no post available on Facebook. So if you're saying the no post available message on Facebook, it may be caused by connectivity issues, app bugs, or account settings. And this is a comprehensive guide to fix the issue. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you can try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test the connectivity. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can also restart your router. And you can also refresh the Facebook app. You can just pull down on the home feed to refresh and load new posts. But if refreshing doesn't work, you can just close and reopen the app. And you can also try to log out and log back in on Facebook. You can tap on the menu or your three lines or your photo, and then you can scroll down and choose log out, and then re-enter your credential login to credential to log back in. And you can check if the post now appear. And then you can also check for updates on the Facebook app, because an outdated app can cause glitches like missing posts. You can open your Play Store, search for Facebook, and then just update the app if there is any update available. And then you can also clear the app cache. This is for Android only. If you are you can just open the Facebook app settings in here. Go to the settings on your phone, apps, and then here choose Facebook, select storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Now you can just open the Facebook app again and check if the issue is resolved. And you can also check for the Facebook server status. You can visit a website like Down Detector to see if Facebook is experiencing downtime or server issues. Now, if there is the problem, you can just wait for Facebook to resolve it. You can also try to reinstall the Facebook app, uninstall it from your device first, and then reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. Log back in and check if the posts appear. So that's pretty much all. By following these steps, I hope you should be able to resolve the no post available issue. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.